Hey friends, today we're going to draw Chris from Kratts.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker, some paper,
And something to color with.
Something to color with. Ready to start?
Yes.
Now, Hadley, in this lesson, we're going to use a lot of the same steps that we used in the Martin lesson. We're going to start by drawing his eyes in the middle, but towards the top, so that we have room for his whole body. We're going to draw two upside down U's, like this, and we're going to draw them right next to each other. And draw them, yeah, there you go. That's a good spot. Then leave a little space, and then another upside down U. And then at the bottom, let's draw another curve to connect the inside all the way to the outside. Now let's draw two circles inside for his pupils, and we can color those in. I'm going to draw one over here also. Now let's draw his nose. Right here, I'm going to draw a curve that comes down and then back in. Then let's also draw his mouth, and we're going to draw him really happy. So we're going to draw a curve underneath, and then let's draw a U shape that comes down and back up so that his mouth's open. There we go. And then let's draw his teeth, the top teeth. We're going to draw a curve across the top, and I'm leaving a little gap on the left so that we can draw a line that comes up for the front of his teeth. Then let's draw another curve for his tongue, the bottom. Now let's draw his eyebrows. We're going to draw a curve that goes over his eye. Then we're going to draw another curve that goes a little higher. And we'll do the same thing. We'll repeat that same step over here. I like his eyebrow. You did a great job. We'll do another one over here and then one more on top. Next, let's draw the shape of his head or his jaw. We're going to start over here at the height of his eyebrow. And we're going to draw a curve that comes down under his mouth and then back up. Yeah. Now let's draw his ear. We're going to draw a backwards C over here. And then we can draw a regular C on this side. Good. Now let's draw a little detail on the top of his ear, a little curve, both sides, and then we can draw a C, a small C, and a backwards C over here. Now, if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do at home?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time for a step, you can always pause the video. Let's keep going. Let's draw his hair next. We're going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a curve that comes over his eye and then connects to the other side. Now let's draw the top of his hair. We're going to draw a curve that comes up like this.
Up.
Yep, up. And then we're going to draw a zigzag line that comes down. Then we're going to draw a bigger one that comes up and back down. And then another one. You're doing a great job. Another one up and down. Now this one is going to curve way back like this. Yeah. And then let's do a small one back. And then let's do another little zigzag. Now this curve is going to come down and kind of past his ear. And then connect it down on top of his ear. Now over here, let's draw a little diagonal line that comes down. All right, Hadley, we finished his head, and you're doing such a great job. And it's okay that our two drawings look different. Both look awesome, and that's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun and to
Practice.
And we say this every time, and that's because we really, 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 really mean it. Yeah, you knew exactly what I was going to say. What should we draw next?
His body.
His body. Let's draw two lines now. We're going to repeat a lot of the same steps from Martin, and we're going to draw two lines that come down from his chin. This is for the top part of his body, his chest. And then right here, we're going to draw a curve that connects those two lines for his waist. Now let's draw his shorts. We're going to draw two lines that come down on each side. And then in between, we're going to draw an upside down V. And then connect the bottom of his shorts, the inside of the V to the outside of his, to the outside of his legs. Then let's draw two shorter lines and closer together for his legs coming out of the bottom of his shorts. There we go. Now let's draw the top of his socks or his boots. Now we're going to draw his heel for both boots.
That's a big heel.
Big heel. He's got big boots. Big hiking boots. Now we're going to draw the top of his foot. We're going to draw a short line down on each side. Then we're going to draw a line that comes out and down for the front of his boots. Same thing over here. Then let's connect the bottom on both shoes. Now let's add the details to his boots. We're going to draw the bottom or the sole on his shoes. Then we're going to add 3 lines for the shoelaces on each side. This is where we may go really fast because we're repeating all of those same steps. So remember to pause the video if you need extra time. We're going to draw the top of his boots or shoe or where his socks are. Then we can also draw a loop for his shoelaces.
It's a pointy loop.
And pointy loop. Now let's add the details to his shorts. We're going to draw a line at the bottom of his shorts. Then we're going to draw his pockets. We're going to draw a diagonal line on the corner each side. Then let's draw a rectangle shape for his side pocket on each leg. Next, let's draw the flap on top of his pocket.
Where he can put his hands in.
Okay. Now let's move up here and draw his vest. Let's first draw a V right under his chin. Then let's draw a line right down the middle. Now we can move down to the bottom and draw the bottom of his vest. I'm going to draw an upside down V. Then let's draw 2 lines. A short one over here and also a short one on the other side. Now let's draw the big circle that's in the middle of his vest. Then he's got 3 smaller circles above that big one. So let's draw one right above. And then let's draw one on each side. All right, let's come back up here. Let's draw 3 lines on his shoulder. And 3 lines over here on this shoulder. Hadley, what's he missing?
His arms.
Yeah, his arms and his gloves. Let's draw a big curved line that comes down close to his shorts. See how it comes down to about the middle of his shorts? So you could go down maybe just a little further. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to draw the inside of his arm. I'm going to start close to his armpit. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to get further away. And do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, now let's connect these 2 lines with a U shape. Curve around, connect the inside out to the outside. Now we're going to draw his hands in a fist. So we're going to draw a sideways U for his thumb. And we'll draw a sideways U over here going the other direction. Now let's draw his fingers. We're just going to draw 2 lines connecting up to his thumb. And do the same thing on the right side. Next, let's draw the top of his gloves. We're going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whoa. 1,
2, 3, 4. And then 1 more line for his sleeve. Now let's do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 for his sleeve. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing Chris, and he turned out so cool. Except we're not completely finished, right?
Yeah.
What do we still need to do?
color him.
Yeah, he's going to look so much better colored in. This part we are going to fast forward, but you guys at the end can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, great job on coloring Chris. He turned out really cool. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You promise?
Yes.
Now you guys at home can pause the video to match the same coloring.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Chris.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.